Hi, welcome to xmTuition, where I help everyone with their physics homework. Like yesterday at Lorong 1 Market, this little boy asked me about this question. So in this question, we are given the acceleration time graph, and we're asked to match this instant in the AT graph to one of these points in the velocity displacement graph. So how do we start? Maybe we should first figure out the displacement at this instant in time. So what's the link between acceleration and displacement of SHM? They're opposite of each other, right? A is equals to negative omega square x. So if the acceleration is positive at this instant, its displacement must be negative. Which of these points have negative displacement? It's either A or D, right? We can already rule out B and C because B and C are having positive displacement. So how do we choose between A and D? Looks like we have to figure out the velocity as well. Since we already know the xt graph, the easiest way to figure out the velocity is to look at the gradient of the xt graph. Remember, velocity is dx dt. Since the gradient of the xt graph is positive here, it means the velocity must be positive. So we are going to reject D because D has a negative velocity, which means the answer has to be A. Yes, physics is very interesting as long as you are willing to think hard. 加油 boy boy! Ta-ta!